Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn about the affiliate portal within HighLevel. So with that being said, let's hop into it. Okay, welcome back. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the affiliate portal here, the next one on the list. So when you click on that, you land on the dashboard and it'll show you how much you've earned lifetime, what your monthly revenue is, I guess. It doesn't really show that accurately. It says 1 of 5 customers, I'm not sure. Current month, last month, clicks, customers generated, referral income, July, August, September, October, November. I literally have one person paying for this. That is why it's only $584 and it's only over these 5 months. This is where you can grab your affiliate link, and so you can click copy, and then there's messages here on the right hand side about the affiliate program. And then if you want, you can go to promoter reports. When you click on that, let's see what it pulls up. Yes, it has everything you need to know about it. So it says 1 referral, 2 customers. I'm not sure who the second customer is because I don't get paid for that. You get 40% recurring commissions when you refer people to HighLevel directly. Here's the beautiful thing. If you are a Marketing Engines A.I customer subscriber for HighLevel through me, you can also be an affiliate for my Marketing Engines A.I program and HighLevel and earn 50% commissions. I literally will give you 10% more than they will. So if you want to be an affiliate to HighLevel and promote HighLevel, I suggest you promote Marketing Engines A.I instead of directly through HighLevel, because you'll earn 10% more commissions each and every month. All right, I hope that made that crystal clear. But here are all the things you can do. You have dashboard details, shows you by the day things that are happening, referrals, who they are and what they're doing. You have your latest commissions, so you can see who you've earned them from. Then you have, I think that was rewards, sub-affiliates. If you have any, so they automatically become an affiliate through you. Once they become a buying customer through you, they become an affiliate. You can see where the payout terms are, who's sending it to Pulte, which sends it out each and every month to my bank account. We have assets in here, so there's some things like HighLevel affiliate welcome course and assets, affiliate help articles and FAQs. They give you some stuff here. This is my business name that it's under. Then we have payment details, and this just probably loads up what I can switch it out to. So this is set up to go out to me with my business details, so that you can add an address, payment method, tax forms, and done. I've done all that. Then we have payment history. I don't know what difference is between this and the other thing, but it shows they've been deposited. I don't know what this deferred stuff was. Oh, I think it was just deferred till the 14th here. And then we have invoice history, which I've never looked at. So we have HighLevel affiliate commission payout for November 30th, and it was paid on the 12th, it was payment date says the 12th, due date's the 15th. I don't know what this about is. Let's look at it. Welcome to the best affiliate program for digital marketers. To date, affiliates have earned over $38 million, 40% commissions. They do basically giveaway of electric vehicles, similar to the dream car thing with ClickFunnels. So if you're familiar with that, you get similar level of opportunity. Again, I think it's better to promote mine versus theirs, simply because you will earn 10% more commissions each and every month, and why not earn more? So that is basically the affiliate portal in a nutshell. Hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.